Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey mustard sauce. To start, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 3 tablespoons of honey. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, a small pinch of salt, and a dash of paprika for that signature color and subtle spice. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get mixing. In a small bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 3 tablespoons of honey. Use a whisk to thoroughly blend these ingredients together. You want a smooth, uniform base without any streaks. This initial step is crucial for ensuring all the core flavors are perfectly integrated before we introduce the final touches. Next, it's time to refine your sauce. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. This adds a crucial tangy note that balances the sweetness. Then, incorporate a small pinch of salt and a dash of paprika. The paprika not only adds a hint of color, but also a subtle warmth. Give it a good stir, then taste. Feel free to adjust the honey or vinegar to achieve your perfect balance of sweet and tangy. Once your honey mustard is perfectly seasoned, cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is essential. It allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and helps the sauce thicken to the ideal consistency. Serve it with chicken nuggets, fries, or anything you desire. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle mentioned, check out the description below. Enjoy your homemade McDonald's-style honey mustard.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.